Hi, my name's Ben. In this video, I'm very excited to be launching a brand new feature to our WinOLS bot, and this is automatic DTC removal, fully supported by our server. So there are no dependencies. You don't need to have the solutions or any sort of other subscription. Everything is processed automatically on our servers by the bot. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the exact process from end to end, from one of your clients uploading a file to the bot receiving the file and automatically turning off the DTCs. So for the sake of our demo, I'm logged into our demo portal here. I've got an AutoTuner slave file that is about to be sent up. I'm going to go through next, choose a no tuning, AdBlue delete, and then I'm going to select two DTC codes. I'm going to select one that I know can be automated by our server and one that I know can't be automated by our server, and that's this P0003 number. So I'm going to send the file in now, and I'm going to show you this process, how it unfolds. We're going to return to SkyPanel now, which is the admin panel of our system. I'm going to go to the bot panel here, and now we can see the order that has been received by the bot. Now, because of our rules, we don't have configured rules for this type of order, so the bot is now waiting for us to make a selection of a version to use to make the file. So in this case, it will be an AdBlue, and then we have our DTCs for removal. Now you can add as many DTCs as you like for removal, and you can specify whichever DTCs you want to. We'll just leave it at these two for now, and we'll press proceed. Now the system is going to be opening up WinOLS. It's going to be building out the file for the AdBlue off. Once it's finished creating that file, it will then send it to our servers for the DTCs to be removed. And now here, because one of the DTCs that we specified wasn't able to be removed, it's going to give us a list of all the ones that can be. So here is the complete list of all the DTCs that can be removed for this particular ECU that corresponds to the file that's been uploaded. And we can select any number of these to be removed. Obviously, it won't be able to remove any ones that it can't remove. And if it was able to remove every one that we specified initially, it wouldn't even give this window. It would just complete the file. So I'm going to press proceed and only remove this P0001. And that's now added for removal. And now the DTCs are going to be being processed. Post-processing is now encrypting the file back for the AutoTuner slave. And now we are on wait for finish, which means the process of automation has completely finished. The file has been built with the AdBlue off solution from our WinOLS database. The DTCs have been removed by the server. It's been repacked, re-encrypted, and it's now waiting for the portal to pick this back up. So I'm going to go and view the file in the actual file inbox so that we can see how this actually then goes back to the client. So I'm going to click here. We can see that the file was fully automated and done 4 seconds ago. We can click this now and we can see that it's already gone back. So we have the whole timeline of what occurred. File was attached by the client. The AutoTuner API successfully decrypted the file automatically. So that is the decoded AutoTuner slave file there in the chat thread for you if you ever need it. The file was automatically handed over to the bot for processing. We then made that manual selection of AdBlue off from the WinOLS database and selected to remove the P0001 code. This is the modified file attached unencrypted, so if you need to make any revisions, you can do. The client is then sent an invoice here because they uploaded this file with 0 balance, so they must pay for the file before they can download the tuned file. So they'll be prompted to do that their side. And then we have a hidden message here, which is invisible until the user obviously pays, with the encrypted AutoTuner slave file here ready for the client to receive once they make payment. So that is the full end-to-end process of a client uploading a file, it coming into the bot, even you making the selection of the correct version if you don't have rules configured. If you do have rules configured in the bot, it can completely automate it even without your selection. So that would be completely automatic. And then the client receiving the file back. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you would like to learn more about this function, please message me, or if you're ready to move forward and get your portal set up with the bot, just message me as well and I can help you get everything put together.